Good afternoon, everyone. Today our debate topic is education is more important than money. My point is yes, education is more important than money because it gives knowledge, understanding, and it also improve our confidence. It developed our skills, understanding. It sometimes money can be lost, but knowledge never lost. And money can provide you security and comfort, but education provide knowledge. With the help of knowledge, we can do everything. We can do job, we can get a good opportunity to job. We uh, we it help us become independent and to make better decisions. If we have knowledge, then that time we take better decisions. We never we we never fail. And it it increases our how to manage and earn money. Yes, this is the reason education is more important than money. It's my point.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today I speak in favor of money because yes, education is valuable, but also money is very important because if we if we don't have money, we can't do anything. If we joined any school, any college, that time we need money. If I have don't money, we can't do anything. We can't buy any book. We can't we can't anything because money is important. Our basic need also anything. Yes, education also important because without education we can't get good job. We earn money also. But if I don't have money, that time we can't also, we can't do anything. We never go outside also. So that's why I stand for money.
Okay. I would like to ask you a question. Like you said, education gives you knowledge. Can you tell me what are the knowledge that you learned in education that is useful in your daily life?
Tell me again.
You said
Yeah.
education gives us knowledge. Can you tell me any knowledge that can useful in your daily life, like you learned in
If
education?
listen, if you have knowledge, then you can handle everything in business sectors, in job sectors, in a home. Listen.
Without money, how
If
can you be educated? Like they will ask fees, no. For that you need money.
everyone have a
For that also you have to pay some more money. Without paying,
But
you have
government idea in education.
yes.
How to earn money? How to earn
How to earn money. You can't do
You are
anything.
you are outside also.
Knowledge need money.
No.
Without
I
knowledge,
can earn money. I know.
Yes, you work outside. You work outside also.
Listen. Actually, you said um, when I have money, that time I gain my knowledge, right? You told when I have money, that time I gain my knowledge.
I not said like that.
What
I
did you
said
said?
like if money, education is more important than money is more important than education.
Yes.
Because for everything we need money. First comes money, then after education will come.
if you don't have money, you can't do anything. Without knowledge, you can't do anything.
For your
If
basic needs,
every time you fail, many times you
How can you
fail.
survive?
Anything you will start, then you get fail. Never success. And if you will not success, then you can't you can't get money. And yes,
You
that's
can
why.
work outside also, and you
No.
you can earn money. After that, you will.
One day your money will finish. Understood? But your knowledge, if you will have knowledge, then that time you
See,
do more
It
effectively and more
if I have
efficiently.
money,
not any diseases like forgetting something means that time your whole knowledge will went,
Knowledge
no?
never forget.
Go.
You go
No,
in
knowledge
and
every time.
need one job, but you have no knowledge that time. How to achieve your
I don't want
it
to
does-
money and I will get the job.
yes, it does
For
not.
everything you need knowledge.
I will buy the job. Who knows the knowledge? I will buy the job.
Yes.
In
For
a
example,
Bangalore, in
we take-
Bangalore,
for example, we
one
can take
one
an
can earn
example.
money after one guard job.
For example, we
That
take an
time
example.
knowledge is most important. Communication is also important.
Yes,
Without
in
communication,
all-
you cannot survive in the
In Bangalore, in anywhere.
Education is important, but as much as money is important, education is not important than money.
Money is important, but Bangalore is not. Purchase vegetable also.
For purchasing vegetable, you need money.
Everyone has basic money.
skill na. Firstly in your Bangalore, you live in Bangalore.
But without money, how can you buy vegetables?
Okay.
You have firstly you are educated. After that you getting
have
job.
money,
After that you
right?
know.
You have money, then you buy educated people, right?
Yeah, again buy.
Right, okay. I am the educated people. I educated person. You buy me, okay? Then next
Why?
I tell you.
Yes.
Next 1 year I will know your how to how much you have money. That time I will take over your company because I have knowledge, more knowledge.
Yes.
I have-
Why I will buy you? I also have knowledge. I can also. I can.
If we
He
have
said
knowledge,
he have money, he buy
him.
skilled person only. So that's why I am telling.
If I have money, we can also learn many things. We can join by.
You agree? You have
I
money.
agree.
You have money. Then you want knowledge.
Yes.
Education
We can
is
also
important.
join the good colleges and we can.
You
get
have
good
you
knowledge.
Like
have
that,
knowledge.
like
You have
that,
knowledge.
if we
You
have
can
knowledge,
do
then we
anything.
can also
You
earn
have-
money.
First
You don't have-
No.
I tell you.
You have knowledge, you can do anything. You have don't knowledge, you can't do anything.
Can't join. You can't
If-
join to good colleges. That time you don't
See,
school
many-
for education.
see,
After that,
See, many graduate people, they are not getting job.
one
What that-
points.
What they can
I
do?
speak
Because they don't have enough knowledge. They don't. They don't have.
You build your business, okay, but you don't have knowledge how you can start your startup.
I will put that.
First you learn
See,
how to start business,
see,
right?
what for
And you
starting
have to
here,
learn how to manage.
Knowledge.
One example. One
you
example.
You don't need
Bigger बोलते उसको ना.
education knowledge. You need a
Education knowledge.
What you need?
Bigger.
How you
When
can
start up,
manage
I'll tell you.
It does not mean
See,
Excuse me. One
education,
point. One
they will
example.
teach how to run a business.
He said.
He said.
He said.
Wait,
That point.
Telling business, na? Telling
Wait.
business.
Yes.
In malls, when owner there, when owner we cannot see, na?
Yes.
Only workers, only manager only, na? Then what to do? Money can buy happiness, na?
But
Money
how
can put
much?
They don't have knowledge. They are not educated. That's why
They
they
are
are
not
not
does not mean if I have money that time we can't educate. We one example, the bigger one example. Yeah, one example. A bigger person, bigger, the bhikhari, bigger, one bigger person, lot of money, but you don't have respect and don't have knowledge. Knowledge. What do you?
See, I don't want to
That is your choice. That is their choice.
With
Money is not important nowadays. Education.
Nowadays, education is more important.
Listen,
First tell me. Where to most important money? Where
why?
Without education, don't respect, don't.
Money also, na? For example, when you rent the function,
You have lot of education. You easily earn the money. You are easily earn the
Your family
money.
members
Lot of
have not
money.
Money is, I agree with you. Money is important, but
You want money?
You don't have knowledge.
Sir have lot of knowledge in it.
earn money.
One example
Ada, how to earn money?
how to earn money.
Okay.
I have money.
Ada, how
to earn money? If you don't have money, how to earn money? Without knowledge, you can't.
First one life example. Sir, I have lot of knowledge.
Yes,
Sir, everyone are easily earn the money.
If I have knowledge,
Without money, how can
if I have knowledge, then I can do anything. Anything.
What?
What do? First you have to.
you need money? That time you need money also. Yes.
Schools are there.
Yeah, one.
Nowadays, Olympians what to do? They have not such much of knowledge. When they went to do the practice, they want to pay money. They want to rishwat.
Not Rishwat.
This is
for
example, I saw in my Facebook, Instagram, one girl is athletic. She went to campus to programming. The owner asked him 1 lakh. I will pay you. You will play. So if she didn't have any money, she will come back. Then what about it? Money is more important than no.
Okay.
Nowadays,
First you tell me. Why you go Olympic?
Olympiad.
If you
Because of knowledge.
want,
Yes,
if you
because of
important,
knowledge.
If you think money is important, then money is not food. When we survive, tell you. When I survive, we want food, right? Then we have knowledge. Then we create many vegetables, many.
how do you get, bro? That is not better.
Everyone.
Our knowledge.
How you can make it?
No. One as a current life example, sir has a lot of knowledge and facing. Sir facing a lot of problems and sir have lot of knowledge and sir a startup is education and give all people education and sir I have lot of money.
For what purpose is training and
For education.
For education.
What
you have to understand, if sir
We are
have
joining
knowledge,
this
then
class.
sir can start.
We are joining this class.
Understood?
Why?
If sir don't have knowledge, then sir.
We cannot
If sir
have money,
would
then
not be knowledge,
without money,
then how sir can survive in this situation? First of all,
Why are you joining? You develop your skills. Why are you joining? Tell me. Why are you joining?
you sir, you said.
Why are you joining this institute?
Fun. You can fun.
No.
Because
Because of earning money, because of get good job. Yes, sir. No.
See, without money,
You
without
can't
money you
get
cannot join this
Yes.
institute also.
why not? I am asking for
You
told me
don't
just
pay money,
for money.
7,500. You
told
want
me-
money, then you will
See,
see
without
bank.
money, then you tell me.
But lots of
Everyone
students
have
have
basic money.
Sir gives chance poor people.
But you have to pay something, right?
Yeah, after that you can pay something.
How can you?
But क्या चाहत का
If students are dedicated, then they can learn knowledge and they can. No. Actually, many government schools are there. Many
You
government
start your
schools are there.
business.
Listen.
You start your business.
Yeah, try to give answer
Many
to
no.
question, right?
Many
You
government
only said-
schools are there in which everyone go and get knowledge from there. There is no